Installing the Brondell CleanSpa handheld bidet is simple. Follow these steps to install and use your bidet. Turn off the water supply at the shutoff valve at the wall to stop the flow of water. Flush your toilet and hold down the flush handle until the water is fully drained. Unscrew the flexible water supply line from your fill valve at the toilet. You may want a small bucket or towel handy to catch any residual water. Insert the provided black rubber washer into the T-valve. Connect the T-valve to the fill valve under the toilet tank. Reconnect the flexible supply line to the bottom of the T-valve. Remove the blue caps on the ends of the bidet hose and attach one end of the bidet hose to the open end of the T-valve. Connect the bidet spray head to the open end of the bidet hose. Turn on the water supply and check for leaks. To mount the bidet sprayer to the side of the toilet, attach the bidet holster to the toilet hook using the provided screw. Lift the lid of the toilet tank to hang the toilet hook. Insert the bidet sprayer into the holster. To use the bidet, open the provided T-valve and press the button on the spray head to initiate the flow of water. For safety, it's important to follow our manufacturer's recommendations and turn off the T-valve after each use. Failure to turn off the bidet at the T-valve after each use may weaken the bidet hose or the spray head over time and lead to damages, as they are not meant to be under constant water pressure. Congratulations! Your handheld bidet installation is complete. Please contact Brondell Customer Support for any additional questions.